for the summer harvest, and to celebrate, my friends from the Ingles table and I are cooking up some amazing summertime favorites. We're so glad you're here. Enjoy.
In this episode, Chef Derek St. Romain makes his Cajun grilled chicken with Georgia peach chutney.
Derek, we're at the summer harvest. What do you have cooking today?
I'm gonna do some grilled chicken and throw a little twist in there, a little Cajun Georgia peach chutney on the bottom,
Sounds
a little
good.
Italian cheese on the top. So it's a very simple recipe. All I'll do is cut my chicken breast real thin, hit it with a little Cajun seasoning.
Oh, you had to bring that.
I gotta do Cajun, I can't help
Yeah.
myself. And this
Nice.
Creole seasoning just goes with everything,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
So we're gonna liberally spread that on there. We've already got our pan hot.
It's smoking.
Listen to that.
I like the sound of that.
That's it. And put it on medium high. Cut your chicken breast nice and thin, about an inch thick, right? So you don't have to sit here all day and wait for it to cook.
Right.
And you know, we're gonna cook a bunch of this. We're just not gonna cook a bunch right now. I'm gonna move this raw chicken out the way.
So you have all these fresh veggies.
Yes, this lady has this great farm. So I went foraging this morning. Fresh herbs,
Nice.
bunch of different kind of tomatoes, onions, bell pepper, celery, the whole 9 yards. And we're gonna mix all that together. A little balsamic vinegar, a little olive oil, and some fresh mozzarella cheese.
Oh, nice. That sounds delicious.
I'm gonna dump in if you'll mix it. How's
Okay, absolutely.
that? So that's the bell peppers, and that's the trio. That's all
right.
three colors. Jalapenos, fresh from the garden, took the
right.
seeds out. We're gonna get all these tomatoes in here, which is gonna be fun. So I got all these from the farm, but the great thing is, if you go to your local Ingles, it's tomato season.
It
they
is
have
tomato
all
season.
this ready to go.
Right.
I'm gonna grab a little white onion. There we go. Dump those fresh herbs in.
This is basil, and
Yes.
I see you got some of the different kinds of basil. I do grow cinnamon basil as well.
Mix it up real well. We're gonna hit it with about 1/8 of a cup of olive oil, and then the same amount of balsamic vinegar, and then of course,
There we
a
go.
little Cajun seasoning. So you do that, I'm gonna flip this chicken.
Okay.
When you're cooking chicken like this, you go about 2.5, 3 minutes per side, medium high.
Nice.
6 or 8 minutes, it's done. That's it. We're gonna dump the cheese in last. And I like to do that last anyway so it doesn't get all brown with the balsamic.
exactly.
We're gonna finish cooking this chicken and then we're gonna plate this sucker up and get ready to eat.
All right.
Let's do it. So, the chicken is done and looks great, right?
It looks delicious.
I have a little surprise. Did a smoked peach and roasted corn chutney. We're just gonna put it all together. So I'm
Okay,
gonna
go
take
ahead.
chutney and
Okay.
put it on the bottom. And it's gonna give it a nice bed. We'll do that.
Oh, there's so much flavor that you're going to
Yes.
put in that chicken.
The smoked, the roasted corn. We got our chicken breasts that we're just gonna stack on here like this. And then,
Nice.
what I love, absolutely, we're gonna ladle that on top and just make it all pretty.
This looks amazing, Derek.
Yes, and I can't wait to eat that. I hear that you have a special dish for us today as well.
I am going to make the stuffed tomatoes.
Well, let's go do it.
Let's go do it. I hope you've enjoyed your time with us today. We sure appreciate you stopping by. There's nothing that improves a wonderful meal more than a special feeling of sharing it with friends and family. Make sure and explore the rest of the site here at inglestable.com. Thanks again, y'all.